Hey everybody, this is Casey Willis with Rhino Networks. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to claim your Meraki dashboard license within an existing dashboard account. By now, you should have received an email from Rhino Networks or Cisco with your license key. Go ahead and copy that license key. We'll need it in just a moment. Once you are logged into your Meraki dashboard, hover over the Organization tab on the left and click on License Info. On this page, you'll see a blue Add License button. Click that button and paste the license key that was emailed to you. If you bought new equipment and have new licenses you need for that equipment, select the License More Devices option. If you are renewing a current license, click the Renew My Term option. There is one final step you need to do in order to add your license properly. At the bottom of the license page, you will see a confirmation asking if you are sure you want to add this license. In order to finalize the license, you need to enter the expiration date seen here in the box. Finally, click Add License again to finish claiming the license.